Hey, I'm going to show you guys how to jumpstart a Mclaren 720S. So, first thing you need to do is get the keys out of the fob. It's real easy. Just push that and then just pull that up. So, in order to open the door, it has a dead battery. So, there's a keyhole right down here. Let's see if I can find it. Right here. So there's the keyhole. So that opens the door. Sorry, I can't seem to get it right. All right, let me get under here. There we go. That manually opens the door. And then now, let me show you how to open the front trunk. I already have this one open, but there is also a keyhole right up here somewhere. So, right here. And this is on the driver's side. So, if you're just to kneel down here, put the key in there, twist it. That should release the front trunk. And then you just pull this cover off, hook up your charger or jump pack, and start the car like normal.